How far back does it go?
It goes all the way down the road. Alright, you want to go check out another site?
Yeah.
Down Sugar Hill?
Over there?
Sugar Hill. Underhill Park.
That where it's flooded too?
Yeah, this is the Blackhurst Pike.
Can we go down there? I want to see it down there.
Oh. Okay, so it goes
I'm gonna go in.
all the way down.
You can drown.
All the way down. You can't go by.
Oh, wow.
We're in the middle of the highway right now.
Yeah, this is cool.
And
Hi.
it's not too bad right here, but that's pretty rare.
I can't believe it. I'm in the middle of the highway.
Yeah. I was on my bike in the highway.
And today, today, if this flood wasn't here, I'd be in serious danger. I'm in the middle of a highway. See, I couldn't do this with all the cars around. Yeah. I'm in the middle of the highway. Woo! Oh no. Bye.
Okay.
What if my trip like, oh, this is a once-in-a-lifetime thing you can't do.
Yeah, me too. You can't see in there. You can't go in there, okay?
You can drown easily. It's deeper and deeper. Look at the top. Where's the wooden thing?
Oh man, that's pretty deep.
That house, oh my god.
This is Underhill Park.
I'm not gonna get my picture today.
No, not today, but you are right now. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Good. Hello.
Oh, hello, beauty queen.
Mommy.
How you doing?
Mommy. Mommy.
Ew. Hey, that's not nice. Where's that house at now? Oh man, it's in there somewhere. All right.
I put my arms in a pencil.